it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit more relaxed. I'm gonna just film it vlog style. I'm super excited, as you can see from the title of this video. I am decorating for Christmas. This will be my second year here in my home for Christmas, and I'm really ready and excited to get my decorations up. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so first things first is to pull out all of my decor from last year and analyze what I have. I plan on using mostly the same decorations from last year, just maybe styling things a little bit different. I did, however, pick up one new thing, and that was a new Christmas tree. I got a bigger tree, and I'm excited to unbox that with you guys because I haven't looked at it yet and get that all out and fluffed up. So yeah, let me go pull out all of my old stuff. All right, so I've pulled out everything that I think that I have. I have a feeling that there's more, but I can't find it right now. I'll dig around later, but let me just show you what I have. So I have these 6 containers. There looks like there's different ornaments in here. And let's see. Yeah, ornaments. My garland, and it looks like a stocking maybe in there. More ornaments and some mantle or table decor here. Then I have my ornament wreath. As you can tell, my theme is like gold and blush and pinks. And then I have this nativity scene. Let me see. Like gold nativity scene that I got from Target years ago, and I actually haven't seen it again since, but I have that. I have this snow globe that I got, and mine is turned yellow. It's a little ballerina, but I don't know why mine is yellow, so maybe this would be on my list to replace. But I really hate that it's like super yellow. I don't know if anybody knows why that happens. Let me know. I also have this decor piece. It's like a vase or candle holder, and it's pretty wreath around it in a nice blush color. I have my door hanger for my wreath. I have these fake presents, and the reason why I have these is because it's just me here, so I usually don't even have presents to put under the tree, but I just like the look of having presents under the tree, so that's why I wrapped these up last year. And depending on what my tree is looking like, they may still go back under there this year. And I have some more ornaments here. A few years ago, I used a lot of jewel tones and colors. I don't know if I'll be using any of this stuff, maybe these, but I do see my hangers here for the ornaments, and I don't know what else is down in here, but I just pulled these out. And last but not least, my Christmas tree. So I got this Christmas tree from Walmart this year, and it's 6.5 foot tinsel rose gold tree. Yeah, it's a 6.5 foot tinsel rose gold tree. The reviews are saying that it looks a little more silver than rose gold, but we will see when we open it up. It's pre-lit, and so it's a little bit bigger than my old tree, which was just a skinny pencil tree from Target. And I just wanted something new. In my old tree, the lights all blue, and it was just a good size for a studio apartment, but I wanted something bigger this year. So I think the first thing I'm gonna do is open up this tree. the tree out of the box. It is definitely not rose gold, but I expected that because a lot of people in the reviews did say it was more silver than gold. It actually has no rosiness about it at all, in my opinion, but it's a metallic tree, which is what I wanted, and I love the height of it. It's really tall. So I'm excited. I haven't fluffed it, I just stood it straight up. So I'm gonna show it to you guys and then I'm gonna get it fluffed. So this is what the tree is looking like. It, like I said, no rosiness or gold in it at all. Really, it's just silver. But I do still like it right now before I've even fluffed it. I like the height of it, and just want to show you comparison, how tall it is. It's up there. So now I'm going to go ahead and get these branches down and start fluffing the best that I can. And I'm gonna decide where I'm putting this. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I've been asking you guys on Instagram, but my two options are over here in this corner in my living room where my fiddle leaf fig tree is, or over here, kind of like where it already is, but more against this window in my parlor area. So yeah, that's the question. But first, I just want to get it open. So I have the tree up in this corner. I'm loving the way it looks. I'm loving the cozy vibes it gives my living room. So I think I really like this spot. And before I put the ornaments or decorate the tree, I want to go ahead and get my mantle shelf styled. So let's get that done.